Sweaty crap. Come on a journey with me today as we explore full day worth of elephant sanctuary activities. The first thing you're going to do is you will be going to bamboo rafting. Bamboo rafting should take you about 45 minutes, and throughout your rafting, you're going to see elephants drinking water and other tourists. The next is you're going to be going through a small village. You're going to hike there, and that should take about 20 to 25-minute hike before you reach your final destination. At the elephant sanctuary, you will spend roughly about 2 to 3 hours. You're gonna get to do all sorts of activities with the elephants, including feeding them, have lunch with them, and play with them. The last activity is you're gonna be going on a 20-minute hike to a waterfall. At the waterfall, you're gonna be able to swim, relax, and enjoy the natural spring water. That activity is going to be about 35 minutes. After that, you will be returning home to your hotel. Your tour guide will pick you up between 8:30 and 9 a.m. as well as other tourists depending on how crowded it would be that day. Luckily for me, it was just me and Stefano this time. Today is day 4, day after Songkran, Thai New Year's. I'm heading to the elephant sanctuaries here in Chiang Mai. Stay tuned to the end to find out how much this tour cost. Over the next couple of videos, you're going to notice different angles and shots. Stefano is one of my new Italian friends. Him and I were one of the few people that got to be on bamboo rafting. So thank you, Stefano, for helping me shoot a lot of these videos. Stefano and I, we got so excited seeing the elephants. This is the second set. I forgot how to say hi in Thai, so to all my Thai friends, you can kind of hear it in this video.
Oh, yeah. Okay, 45 minutes.
Good cut.
Oh!
Sorry, crap.
Italy.
US. Thailand. Oh! spider crab. Ah.
Alright.
Spider crab. We stopped to get some bananas for the elephants, and then it's another about an hour drive in a small village where we're going to be hiking to the elephant sanctuary.
But she stay in the Chiang Mai city like a holiday or
They will sleep there, right?
Yeah. Okay. Sleep.
This primary school, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Oh, there's a few. Oh, there's a baby one. Oh, there's more of them. Hi, guys.
Tonight the last day in Chiang Mai, no? And you go to Bangkok, no?
Yes, tomorrow. Hi, guys. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh, look at you guys.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Very big,
Oh,
like a family, no?
hi. Hi. Oh.
Relax. Go to Chiang Mai. Poppy. Inside, take off like this. But this one durian jungle. From Indonesian. No. One day elephant eating 200 kilograms.
Wow.
This one younger one yet, 19 and 20. Like a sister. More thing and more less. You can see elephant happy look like that. Here movie look like that.
I move that. Okay.
Mark, eating. And this one, baby inside.
Oh,
Has now.
she's pregnant? Oh.
1 year, 9 months more. Human 9 months, but elephant 2 years. 24 months.
He wants food.
All like this. Put by trunk. After eating the bone like this. My trunk. Second soup. Whole banana. Hand up. You say bone.
Boom.
Bone. You can put at the mouth elephant. Bone. At the mouth elephant. Another one. You want to elephant have you? You make a sugar cane. Left hand side or right hand side just sugar cane. Some fruit.
Wow.
And another one, left hand side behind you, right hand side. Yes. You can try. But now, try. But the grandma was eating only banana, okay?
Okay. More. You can take a video like that.
Oh.
Yeah. 2, 3, look at me. This way, 1. Yeah.
Oh.
No, 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 no. No, it's like the mosquito, right?
Honey bean. And hand up,
I'm
Bo.
still scared. And then,
Bon bon.
yeah, just.
Bon bon.
I'm scared. Their mouth's too big.
Little bit scary now.
Yeah.
Look at me. Yeah, this one by one, right? You can, yeah. You can take.
Oh, she's going.
She come here.
Oh, you got pretty eyelashes. She's got. Oh.
She's stomach now. Big boom boom.
Oh, she's okay. She's the one that's
Flu.
pregnant. Okay.
Sissy bum. Stretching.
Sexy bum? Yes. Her hips don't lie. Shakira.
Let's go. Elephant, you can hang in the front side, okay, but don't touch the neck, the back. Oh! For summer time like this, elephant play muddy or shower 2 or 3 times for 1 day. Morning, afternoon, and evening. And good memory also, elephant good memory. I can smell 2 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah. Like here?
Brain size? Wow.
Yeah.
Like that.
Wow. Water. You want to play water with elephant?
Yeah, we can play.
Lỗ hoa phu à? Lỗ hoa nó mà là ăn nó sẽ phu à?
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay. Oh, jeez, she splashed. Oh, careful. spend 35 to 40 minutes to relax and swim in natural spring water that is cold and refreshing. Depending on the hotel you book it with, your total should be 2,250 Thai baht, which is roughly $70.